Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be doing a hair tutorial on how to do the two puff with a swoop. I haven't done a hair tutorial in a while, so I thought why not make today's video a hair tutorial. So starting off the style, you want to choose which side you want your swoop to be on. I chose the right side. Now you just want to section that part of your hair and put it in a ponytail or braid it so that it isn't in the way while you're trying to put the rest of your hair in a ponytail. Now after sectioning your hair, you just want to start applying your styler gel onto your hair and slicking it up into a ponytail. After putting your hair into two ponytails, you want to grab the section of hair you sectioned off and apply the gel to your hair to stick it down. After slicking that sectioned off hair down, you want to grab a rubber band and add that hair to the ponytail you made before slicking your hair down. Then I grabbed my edge control and my edge brush to start doing my edges. You don't have to do your edges, but I just prefer to do my edges when I do my hair. So yeah, this part is really optional. Then I decided to add some edge control onto the swoop because It was starting to look a little uneven. I just added edge control onto it to make it look more even. Then you want to grab a hair wrap or something to wrap your hair to keep your hair in place so that it won't curl up. I usually keep this hair wrap on overnight so that my hair can dry fully, but since I'm doing this video, I'm only going to do it for a little while just to show you guys what it would look like if I was doing it on a regular night. Then finally I grab a pick and I start to pick my hair out so that both my puffs look puffier than before and they don't look just crazy. Well, that is how you achieve the 2 puff with a swoop. I still wanted to do a hairstyle video because I haven't done one in a while. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified every single time I post, because I post every single Saturday. Make sure to go follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the link in the description. And what else I gotta say? Make sure to comment down below other video ideas that you guys want me to film. See you guys next Saturday. Love y'all.